is the support from the supplier themselves. So each supplier is different in their levels of service under their support agreement to you. So you may make a call and they may determine that that's not covered under their help desk, and then they'll ask you to pay, a once-off fee for either training or consultancy to help you with that service, whereas others will go an extra level. They're all different, all offer different levels of service. Some are quite forthright in sticking to that level of service, and once you breach that or you're asking for something that's beyond that, they will ask you to pay a consultancy fee. If you don't choose the right provider, you can really add extra consultancy fees and training fees throughout the years, which should have been forecasted in your assessment of products and their costs.